In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Jotform to set up an appointment request form with integrated payment options. This step-by-step guide will ensure you have a seamless experience creating a form that meets your needs, whether it's for scheduling appointments or collecting payments. To begin, let's head over to the Jotform form builder. If you're not familiar with it, Jotform is a powerful yet user-friendly platform for creating various types of forms, ranging from simple surveys to detailed registration forms. You'll find the interface quite intuitive, especially once you get started. Once you're in the form builder, your first step is to locate the appointment request form. This template is a great starting point as it already includes basic fields you might need, like name, contact information, and the ability to select appointment times. You'll find it under the My Form section if you've previously worked on it, or you can click Create Form and choose it from the template gallery. With your base form ready, let's move on to customizing it to fit your exact preferences. Look for the ADD Elements button, which is typically on the left-hand sidebar of your screen. Clicking on this opens a panel of various form elements you can add. Think about the information you want to gather or actions you want users to take when they fill out your form. Do you need additional fields for specific info, perhaps a drop-down menu for appointment types? This is the place to add those. Our next task is crucial, especially if you intend to collect payments via your form. Click on Payments from the same Elements panel. You'll see a variety of payment gateways to choose from, such as PayPal, Stripe, or Square. Selecting one will integrate it into your form, allowing you to charge for services, products, or any fees associated with the appointment. Remember, connecting a payment method typically requires you to have an account with the chosen provider, so make sure you're signed in or prepared to enter your credentials. Once integrated, you may want to adjust the settings for the payment field, like defining specific amounts or allowing for credit card payments, to ensure it aligns perfectly with what you are offering. As you work through these steps, occasionally preview your form by clicking the Preview Form button. This allows you to see it from a user's perspective and ensure everything appears and functions as expected. It's a good practice to go through all functionalities, especially payment processing, to confirm that the form performs smoothly. Once you're satisfied with the form's design and functionality, you're ready to share it. You can distribute the link directly via email or embed it into your website for visitors to easily access and fill out. So there you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide to using Jotform for creating a fully functional appointment request form with integrated payment options. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be well prepared to streamline